Okay, the joys of working with Builderall. Building out a little website here for some of my blacksmithing friends across the world. I'm finding that I'm getting a lot more comments and interaction in the blacksmithing site than I am in the site that I was hoping to promote, the one called the 7-Day Boot Camp. But I've linked them together and perhaps I can drain a bit off and show them, I've just had a real hustle with the WordPress thing. I'm glad I'm back to this. Okay, so click OK for that one. Okay, and that's going to be called Nimbin Forge. Nimbin Forge, and boom, there it is, added to the menu. The menu's getting a bit long there, but okay, I can probably just drag that out a bit. That'll do. Alright, so we're on the page for the Nimbin Forge. Let's just drag that down a bit. Okay. I'm going to add something here. It's called a banner. That'll do, and I'm going to have an image in there. Appearance. Image. I'm going to have one. I think I like the old Farrier image in here. I hope you don't mind me in the shirtless mode, but that's the way we do it in Bangkok. Yeah, I kind of like that one. Let's see what that looks like. It's a little bit grainy, really. I might have to, yeah, I don't really like that one, so I'll delete that. Have a look at something else. You want to, I don't want a picture that's grainy like that. This one here, this is good. I'll try that. That's pretty crisp. Okay, so you can excuse me. So we've got our header, we've got our banner with a picture, and I'll just pull that down a bit. There. And I'll pop myself. Come on. Got myself over there, and now, oh, look at that, rock and roll is here to stay. Okay, so now I'm going to add a video, audio and video. That's a YouTube video, and I still got it here. This is how cool YouTube is. I was looking at something, I go, my first project Andrew Spears. And look, how cool is that? YouTube can search through a gazillion, anyway, it's had 107 views. It's my old favourite. That was back in the day. I want to share that. A fair bit of gold on there. I'll do that one. Back here, we're going to go configure. I'll pop my little URL in there and boom. Okay, we can close that now. I'm surprised that that sits on top. Sometimes you get a, what happens is I don't know where the best place to put that is. I think I'll have it there. You can get the settings done. Alright, I'll save that. Sometimes you have to play with the layers, but looks like it's going to work. Okay. Alright, so we'll just pop over here to the default. We'll refresh. And now we've got the Nimbin forward. I don't know why that's so long on the main page. Let's have another look. Here, it's not long. There, well, I'm going to do it. I'll do a double layer. Why not? See how that looks. Save and save again. Save is your best friend. Okay, let's go over here and let's refresh the page. Well, look, that's what we've ended up with. I don't know. Let's have a look. I still have to put in a contact page. There's nothing happening on the contact page. The About Us. Now I'm sharing this with a few of the brothers. Okay, there's the forge. And that's very interesting. And then we go to the Nimbin forge. Well, I think this is a good idea because now I'm spreading the weight. I just pointed at one of the brothers, might be a bit overwhelming for him, but he's got his thing there. And like down here, we have, get up there. Are we in that? Yeah, we should be right. So there, that links to the group. There's Stuart Geisler. Okay, well I'm going to sign off now and do a bit more work there, but I think you're getting the picture. Okay, a Riccapooty and a fan doodly from the Bangkok Blacksmith. Digital blacksmith, that is.